Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying what's running and interrupting it. Press Esc or Ctrl+Break first. These commands often halt calculations or refreshes. Once you see the status bar say calculating or refreshing, try clicking somewhere else in Excel to regain focus. If the interface is frozen, open Task Manager and select Excel to end task only as a last resort. Do this quickly so you preserve unsaved changes where possible. You want to stop the process, but keep control of your file. Once interrupted, cancel the exact operation causing the research loop. Open Data Queries and Connections, right-click the active query, and choose Cancel Refresh. In Power Query, use the Cancel button. Make sure each query properties has Enable Background Refresh unchecked and connections are set not to refresh on file open. Then switch Excel to manual calculation via Formulas calculation options. These steps stop automatic or background research processes and prevent them from restarting without your explicit action. To finish, save a copy and close Excel to flush any cached tasks. Before reopening, edit or remove volatile formulas like indirect or large array formulas and simplify long Power Query steps so they don't auto-run. Make sure add-ins or COM connectors are disabled if they kick off background jobs. If Excel still misbehaves, restart your PC to clear stuck processes, then reopen the copy and test with manual calculation. Troubleshooting tip: if operations persist, start Excel in safe mode to isolate add-in issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.